Welcome back to Sehal Mazar, where we explore fascinating coins from around the world. Today we're diving into a classic piece of American currency, the 1974 United States Kennedy half dollar. Whether you're a coin collector or just curious about its history and value, this video is for you. So let's get started. Unlike earlier Kennedy half dollars, which contained silver, the 1974 version was part of the copper-nickel-clad series, introduced in 1971. These coins were made for general circulation. In 1974, Kennedy half dollars were struck at 3 U.S. mint facilities. Over 201 million coins were produced. Over 64 million coins were struck. These are proof coins minted exclusively for collectors, with a production of approximately 2.6 million. Proof coins are particularly eye-catching due to their high-quality strikes and polished finishes. If you have a 1974 half dollar that's been used in everyday transactions, its value is typically around 50 cents. However, some collectors might pay slightly more if it's in good condition. Coins in pristine, uncirculated condition can fetch between $2 to $5 depending on their quality. The 1974 S-proof coins are more valuable due to their limited mintage. Depending on their condition, these can range from $4 to $10 or more. It's also worth noting that grading plays a significant role in determining a coin's value. A high-grade 1974 half dollar, certified by a reputable grading service like PCGS or NGC, can sell for a premium. Collectors love errors, and the 1974 half dollar is no exception. Some rare varieties include: look closely at the lettering on the obverse. If you see doubling, you might have a valuable coin. DDO examples can be worth anywhere from $20 to $200, depending on the severity of the doubling and the coin's condition. Coins struck on defective or wrong planchets can also fetch a premium. If you're looking to add a 1974 half dollar to your collection, here are a few tips. Check local coin shops or online marketplaces like eBay, but be cautious about authenticity. Consider investing in a graded coin if you're aiming for higher value pieces. And always store your coins in a protective holder to preserve their condition. The 1974 Kennedy half dollar is a fantastic piece of history that's both affordable and iconic. Whether you're just starting your collection or adding to it, this coin is a must-have. Here's a detailed historical half dollar was introduced in 1964, a year after the tragic assassination of President John F. Kennedy on November 22, 1963. The decision to honor Kennedy on a coin came almost immediately after his death, reflecting the nation's grief and admiration for the young president. The half dollar was chosen for this tribute as it had enough surface area to accommodate a detailed portrait. This also marked the retirement of the Franklin half dollar, which had been in circulation since 1948. Who created the obverse front featuring Kennedy's profile? The portrait was inspired by Kennedy's presidential medal, which Roberts had also designed. Who designed the reverse back, showcasing the presidential seal, a bald eagle clutching an olive branch and arrows, symbolizing peace and strength? The Kennedy half dollar was an immediate success, with millions of Americans hoarding the coin as a keepsake rather than using it in daily transactions. When first issued in 1964, the Kennedy half dollar contained 90% silver, aligning with other U.S. coins of the era. However, due to rising silver prices and increasing demand for the coin, Congress passed the Coinage Act of 1965. This act eliminated silver from most U.S. coins, including the dime, reduced the silver content in the half dollar to 40%. By 1971, the rising cost of silver led to the complete removal of silver from the Kennedy half dollar, and it became a copper-nickel-clad coin. The 1974 half dollar belongs to the copper-nickel series. In 1974, the U.S. Mint struck Kennedy half dollars in large numbers to meet public demand. These coins were produced at 3 facilities. No mint mark for proof coins. Despite their widespread availability, The use of half dollars in circulation began to decline by the 1970s. Many Americans preferred smaller denominations for daily transactions, and half dollars became more popular as collectibles. The 1974 Kennedy half dollar stands as a representative piece of its era, reflecting both the ongoing legacy of President Kennedy and the economic realities of modern coinage. While it lacks the silver content of earlier issues, its affordability and historical significance make it a favorite among beginner and seasoned collectors alike. The condition of a coin plays a crucial role in determining its value, especially for collectors. The 1974 Kennedy half dollar, like all coins, is graded based on its appearance, wear, and overall preservation. Here's a breakdown of how condition affects the value of this coin. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70 by professional grading services such as PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service. Here's an overview of how the different grades apply to the 1974 Kennedy half dollar. The coin is heavily worn, with the features of President Kennedy's face and the eagle on the reverse being indistinct. Significant scratches, dents, or discoloration are evident. A 1974 Kennedy half dollar in this condition typically has little value beyond its face value, 50 cents. However, it may appeal to collectors as a piece with historical significance or for specific era varieties. The coin shows more wear, with visible flattening on the details of both the obverse and reverse. Some of the finer details, such as Kennedy's facial features and the eagle's wings, may be faint but still discernible. The coin may still only fetch slightly more than its face value, usually around $1 to $2, depending on its exact wear. This price can vary based on specific collector interest or rare varieties. The coin's major features are still visible, though some fine details are. Reverse design is more distinct. There may be minor abrasions or scratches. In fine condition, the 1974 Kennedy half dollar may be worth around $3 to $5. Coins with less wear are valued more, especially if they have a well-centered strike. The coin shows minimal wear. There may be slight flattening of the highest points of the coin, but Kennedy's portrait and the eagle are still well defined with very few imperfections. A 1974 Kennedy half dollar in this condition can range from $5 to $7 depending on its exact state. Coins with sharper strikes or limited wear may fetch a higher price. The coin shows little to no wear, but there may be some light marks or scratches from handling. Kennedy's portrait and the reverse are sharp, with minimal signs of circulation. In near-perfect condition, a 1974 Kennedy half dollar could be worth anywhere from $10 to $20. Coins with pristine surfaces and clear, sharp details may be priced at the higher end of this range. The coin is free from wear, and all details are fully visible and sharp. Coins in this grade are typically very well preserved, often showing only minor blemishes or imperfections from the minting process, depending on the overall quality, reflecting the coin's well-preserved state. Coins graded MS-65 or higher could be worth $100 or more, especially if they have exceptional luster and no visible marks. Proof coins are specially minted for collectors with a shiny, mirror-like finish. The details of the coin are meticulously struck, and it has a flawless surface. With these coins may range from $20 to $50 depending on their finish and quality. A perfect proof coin can be worth $100 or more. Rare, flawless examples with pristine surfaces and sharp detailing can command even higher prices. The shine or reflective quality of the coin is a key aspect in grading. Coins with better luster often receive higher grades. A coin with a sharp, clear strike, where the details are well defiled, is considered to be in better condition than one with a weak strike. Coins that have been kept in good condition, free from scratches, scuffs, or discoloration, tend to receive higher grades. Proper storage in protective holders or cases can preserve the coin's condition, while coins that have been circulated heavily or mishandled can lose value. The 1974 Kennedy half dollar is widely available in circulated condition, and its value usually remains close to face value.